Hello guys, my name is Daniel and I would like to recommend you the simple trade course from Pennywell. I'm proud to say that I made over $300,000 in the last 11 months trading penny stocks, starting only from a $3,000 trading account. I know it sounds unusual, but it's really true and I would like to share my story with you. My journey started in the beginning of 2020. At the beginning it was rough. As most beginner traders, I was losing money in most of my trades and it just felt like I was just gambling because I had no strategy. I had a massive FOMO, I didn't know how to find stocks with potential, I scared of missing out on opportunities, and somehow I was buying the stock in its peak right before it started to decline. Sometimes I did get lucky and bought the stocks at the right time, but I would basically go throughout my trading day feeling like I'm in a casino. After months of losses and inconsistent profits, and just when I sort of given up, I accidentally stumbled upon this amazing trading community. Joining this community was biggest turning point for me because I had the opportunity to communicate with Pennywell, a super successful OTC trader. His success gave me hope and reignited the fire inside me. I got into the stock market to make money on a regular basis, so giving up was not an option. It was not an option for me. Since then, my life has changed dramatically. And when I say life, I mean everything around me. First of all, the trading. On Simple Trade course, I learned how to trade profitably on the OTC, starting from the proper trading tools and strategic chart analyzing, all the way to making decisions about which stock to buy or sell and when. I learned about what really happens behind the scenes on the level 2 quad table. And the most important thing, I learned about the right trader mindset and psychology behind the market. Sure, not everything is perfect and I still sometimes lose some of my trades, but I know how to cut the losses and not get emotional about it. We need to remind that losses are just part of stock trading, but my losses are nothing compared to my wins. And let me tell you this, guys, I win on a consistent basis. Believe me when I tell you, when your profits and traders get better, your life changes for better too. Everybody knows that. I began to see green days one after another, my confidence in trading has increased, and I started to see my profits getting bigger day by day. Thanks to my success, I even bought a new computer with multiple monitors to invest more time into trading. And let me tell you something important. I'm not talking about passive income here. Trading is a profession and requires dedication of time, just like any other thing you want to get good at. It's almost like having a job, but unlike a regular job, you can make so much money here that you never even dreamed it was possible. Look, I'm just a 27-year-old student and I earned the monthly salary of the top CEOs in just 2 weeks of trading. It's not a joke. I made over a 9,000% on my trading capital, my starting capital in less than 11 months. I'm telling you, it changed my life. Thanks to Simple Trade course, I became a professional, profitable trader. I'm a member of the most profitable trader community in the world. And I trade alongside my mentor Pennywell and other great traders that grew up into our community. And one more about Pennywell. He's not only shown his trade with 100% transparency. By the way, I never saw anyone else who does that. He's also giving you tools to step up your mindset and get mentally stronger even when things don't go so well. So if you want to be a trader that makes money on a daily basis, join our community. Check out Simple Trade course, start learning, ask me or other traders a question in our group. My nickname is Busy Shark on Twitter, Discord and Telegram, and we would love to help. I wish you all the best.